Hello and assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'll be unboxing Hogan's PIA Airbus A300 model in 1 to 200 scale. Let's get into it.
की पहली उड़ान PIA के जहाज में मेरे वतन की यादों में रहता हूँ। दिल की पहली उड़ान आसमां की बुलंदियों में मैं पाकिस्तान का झंडा मेरे दिल में रहता है।
So we have a pretty unique box design. As you can see, the same color on the box is the matching livery on this aircraft as well. We have our PIA logo, our scale 1 to 200, and then the aircraft Airbus A300, and then Hogan. The landing gear is included as well, but unfortunately I won't be unboxing the landing gear because they are packed inside. And obviously when you do open it up, the value goes down if I do plan to resell it in the future. So we won't put the gear on for this one, but I'll show you guys how it looks like still. On the top, we just have our PIA name and then some details about the aircraft as well. On the side, we have the same thing, and then moving into the back, we have our perfect view of this A300 aircraft. Some specifications as well of the aircraft itself. We do have our landing gear and our tail stand included as well. So we'll go ahead and open it up and we'll get a view of this amazing model. So this model did cost me around $73.95. Obviously today's market, it is more rare, so the cost has gone up on it, but still a very unique model to have in my collection. So in this box, you can see we have our 3 different layers. Our first layer is the aircraft itself. So we'll take it off. So it is fixed inside as well. Very shiny, very gorgeous. And then in the box, we have our wings, our stabilizer and tail. And then underneath, attached to the box, we do have our landing gear down as well as our landing gear doors up. With that, we also have our tail stand, but unfortunately no logo on the tail stand, which is kind of disappointing. If they added the old logo or even some type of PIA name, would have looked more nice with the aircraft on it, but it's okay. So we'll open up the aircraft. Here it is. It's pretty cool to have the antennas as well on a plastic Hogan model. I haven't really seen that in a very long time. Usually they don't come with the antennas built in, but the detail on it is very nice. So I managed to get all the parts out. Obviously, because they are in a tight packaging, it was very hard for me to get out, so I finally got them all out. So we'll go ahead and assemble the aircraft. We'll start with our left wing. Very hard to sometimes put and connect these models. There we go. Put in our tail. And then our, I believe this is our right. Yeah, our right one. And then our left stabilizer. And there it is. So here is the A300 made by Hogan. No doubt the detail on it is pretty cool. With the antennas, it still shocks me that, you know, they added antennas on a plastic model, but still very nice. So on the front of the aircraft, you can see we have a black nose and then a gold and dark green cheat line going throughout the body all the way to the back. Our PIA logo, Pakistan International, and then our A300 logo here. Details on the passenger doors as well as the passenger windows. Our engine as well. These ones do move, which is pretty nice. On the backhand side, we can see our registration, Alpha Papa Bravo Alpha Zulu. Our registration is also on the bottom left wing as well as the top right wing. And then on the tail, we have a pretty simple dark green background with the PIA name in the middle. Details on the exhaust as well. And then on the right hand side, pretty similar, our tail logo and then our registration. We also have our baggage doors as well, same at the front. We don't have a gem beacon on this one, or even actually yeah, we do. Very small, very small beacon paint job on the top, but still otherwise pretty nice. Underneath we do have our details, our antennas, our main landing gear doors, and then our stand, and then we also have our front nose gear door as well. So some details about this aircraft. It was built in 1980s and it was registered in France as Foxtrot Whiskey Zulu Echo Tango. The first flight was on February 22nd, 1980, which was then later registered in Pakistan as AP-BAZ for PIA. The aircraft was then delivered to PIA on April 3rd of 1980s. And then in 1997, the aircraft was named City of Rawalpindi to celebrate Pakistan's 50th years of independence. Sadly, the aircraft was withdrawn from use and service in 2004, and it was used for spare parts. The aircraft was then later broken up in Karachi in 2006, and then the registration AP-BAZ was removed from the Pakistan aircraft registration in April 19th of 2004. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick review of this beautiful PIA A300 model by Hogan Wings. This model particularly is special to me because my grandfather was the one who actually helped bring the first A300 to PIA on its delivery flights. I know I have some paperwork somewhere that he, you know, brought the aircrafts over to PIA. He also brought the first DC-10s. He also has qualifications on the 707, 720, the Fokker F-27, and many more. So definitely all the aircraft models that I have are very unique and special to me, and each of them hold their own value in my heart. So definitely I had to get this model. So I also have many in 1 to 400 scale as well, so that I'll be showing you in the near future soon. So once again, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any of my daily PIA model collections. Once again guys, thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.